Knowledge automation is inevitable to achieve digital transformation. Here are top 3 benefits of knowledge automation. While script-based platforms focus on automation of individual tasks, resulting in automation patchwork, knowledge automation, on the other hand, automates the process end-to-end. Robotic process automation reduces operational cost in short run. But as the number of bots grow, cost of maintenance increases exponentially. Knowledge automation adapts the automation based on real-time, savings costs, and resources over time. To execute an automation, RPA bots must navigate between different screens, making the entire process slow. Knowledge automation uses APIs, executing the automation in seconds.